Okay guys, so I'm in Aldi. I wasn't gonna come today, but we needed some milk and some tomatoes and some bread. So no, really not. The cushions is the one they're supposed to come out last week. So I'm debating, am I gonna get these? Got some down on the other end too. I got a ladder. We have the shepherd hooks. I had this one time. I don't know what happened to it. They have the tomato cage. I think I will get this. They have this power blaster. It's $12.99 and some shovels. The turf. I like that it's not all green. They have an urn and a folding table. I need this. These bowls are cute and colorful. They're $4.99. Y'all, I'm just trying to figure out why folks had to be so close. These are cute, y'all. I was thinking about getting one and putting my self-care items in the bathroom. So that's the big one. These are $12.99. How you doing? Thank you. And it has a 3-piece memory foam bath set. And I may get this to put on the top shelf of my closet. This is $19.99. I don't know, y'all. But I'm going to get this for the bathroom. These are $3.99. So they can dry their hands. Let's get some tomatoes. I do need to restock, y'all, my pantry. I'm buying things or using things and not restocking. So I'm gonna have a stock up haul sometime soon, y'all. I think these are new. I don't think they always had beefsteak. They had the Roma. They got those. I always get these. I was getting those. These are $1.89. Let's try again. Sorry. I don't know if I was in. Oh, wait a minute. Do I need anything down there? I think that's it, y'all. I don't think I need anything else. So I had to turn, go back around. Because somebody was super close earlier. They have these 7.5-foot umbrellas. And I think I had these one year. They had the foldable chairs for $22.99 and the beverage steaks. They're $2.99. I was gonna get the tomato steaks, but I don't think I am. Oh, I do need another one of these. So these are $3.99. And I think that's it I'm getting this week. They have the solar lights. I don't know if I said that earlier. And then all the stuff over here. I don't think I need nothing in the frozen food section. Oh, I did get the velvet hangers last week, y'all. It was in the car. I didn't show you guys that. At $14.99, you get 50. And I was thinking about getting the essential oils, but the Breathe, they're $6.99, but I don't know. I'll wait and see. I do need another load pan. Because the one I had for a long time. Ooh, I like the pink. I don't have no more. You can get $3.99. I'm gonna just figure out what color. Hi, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. So I'm gonna take you guys in the store. You'll see that before this. My apologies if you couldn't hear me. Of course, I was wearing the mask, but it seems like it was always somebody around. I'm getting a little bit better, not carrying someone's around with vlogging, but it's like they stop and see what I'm doing. Like, they all in my business trying to see what I'm doing when I'm in there trying to vlog or whatever. But my apologies. I'll try to turn the volume up. Okay, y'all, so this is all that I got today. We didn't need a whole lot, but scratch that. Let me bring to this point. I do need to restock our prepper pantry, working pantry. I have an entire playlist that I went on this journey last year of stocking our family rotating working prepper pantry. So a working prepper pantry is just an emergency pantry, or you have an overflow of things, and working means you constantly rotate it. So there are like some flour and some other stuff that I do need to go ahead and start rotating that stuff. And yeah, so what I'm going to do as well is let you guys know, because you probably see this video, be sure to check out the meal plans. Even though I'm doing it on a monthly basis, just check them out. They're free. They're in my free resource library. Let's see, I think I'm gonna create a blog post just for that, and I'm getting ready to do May and June together. I'm behind. The next thing I wanted to say, yesterday or the other day, yesterday, and I have not purchased a new loaf pan in forever. So I don't really make meatloaf out of this. I usually put it in a glass dish because usually our meatloaf is bigger than this. But I have sometimes, and then as well, the other one I had for years, like over 10 years. So this was last week. These were $3.99. They also had like a pink color. I wish they had that. Okay, y'all, so this smart indoor garden, I'll open this up at the end and see what it looks like. I thought the box would be bigger, but it's fine. I think it's mainly for like herbs, or I guess if you want to put like lettuce in there. So I don't get a lot of sunlight in my kitchen, natural light, or I don't have a window sill. My mom has a really pretty window sill, so she can put something in her window and grow. And I really don't have that. Okay, so I needed one of these brushes. I think I got my last one from Aldi. This was $3.99, and I believe this is like oh no, it's a bristle. I thought it was silicone. So I needed a new one of those. I needed a new gas cover. This was $8.99, very affordable gas cover, grill cover. So I wanted to get that. Definitely on my radar. This was last week, the seat pads. So they had at least 3 boxes, like on the ends of the aisles of these, of all the colors that they had of the same seat covers from last week. These were $8.99, and I just wanted 2. I got some batteries. I do have a haul where some Mother's Day self-care things, and I needed these. These were $3.99 for that. I always need batteries anyway, but I need to restock like a whole big pack from like Sam's. I got some beefsteak tomatoes and some romaine hearts. I don't know what I'll cook today, but I will cook some teriyaki chicken in the crock pot. Sorry, I do know. But I got some lettuce tomato to make like sandwiches, like, you know, when you try to make deluxe sandwiches, like luncheon meat, like lettuce, tomato, onion, toasted bread if you want to. If you want to put ranch or something on it, but usually just I put mayo. I guess you can put Dijon mustard and probably pop some popcorn, or if they want chips or something like that. And I'm leaving something off: lettuce, tomato, onion. Deli meat. So the deli meat, we have several deli meats that I pulled out the freezer for something, I don't remember what. And then Trail bought some. I don't know what he was thinking. I just don't want it to go bad. I got 2 of the honey wheat loaves. We have some in the freezer, but I want to get some more. And the fruit rounds, they're $1.29. I think the honey wheat is 89 cents. The romaine hearts, you guys probably will see, was $1.99. The beefsteak tomatoes were $1.89. So I remember all the prices. That is all, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is what this looks like. And you raise this up right here. I will do it in 1 second. I can't do it with one hand. And then these are your little areas that you would put your, I guess, seeds in. I still have to research it, y'all. But probably your already grown plants. And this looks like it's your power button. Now, sometimes, y'all, I've been meaning to say this. Just because I get something, I don't want you guys to feel like you have to get it. Not you have to get it, but you, I just want to be more responsible, y'all. I don't like to say platform, but I didn't realize until last year or even this year that if I purchase something that, and I do it too. I do it because Mom was just saying the other day she bought something because somebody else had, she thought she wanted it, or that's not how she said it, y'all. Y'all get the point. She was just saying how YouTube can entice you to buy things. So I'm just sharing what I pick up, y'all. Not boasting, not bragging at all, because and I'm trying to be careful with my words, because I'm learning in my self-care journey that words are really powerful, and so I don't want to say certain things, and then not just self-care, but in this fasting journey. Okay, y'all. So just don't feel not obligated. Just don't feel like you have to get something just because I got it. You know what I mean? So let me lift this all the way up, because I just want to be responsible. A responsible YouTuber, influencer. I don't know. Responsible. I don't even like saying that, because I love to see what other creators, other YouTubers purchase, influencers, Instagrammers, all of the above. Okay, y'all, so I think I take this off somehow. And then you can raise this to different heights, depending on how much it has grown. So is there lights? Yeah, there are little lights under here. So I'm excited to use this for some fresh herbs, you know. Or even some lettuce, because I love a salad. So, if I was being extra, and if it wasn't $39.99, I would get two. And if I really had the space, but I'm not going to do that. All right, y'all, so that's what it looks like. And this is like my hand, so you kind of know how big it is. Sorry, my chip nail. Let's see. But I do have large hands, but let's see, in ratio of this book, I don't have super large hands, but not book, but cereal box. So you kind of can know, because sometimes on YouTube or on TV, stuff looks bigger than what it is, and you get home or you get to the store, you're like, what in the world? So, and then here's a loaf of bread. So you kind of know. For today, again, I need to go through my pantry, and I need to write down what I have not been picking up. Restocking, I'm sorry. Like, they open up syrup, they open up ketchup, and I was trying to replace it as soon as I did it, but I was getting a little slack, y'all. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, y'all. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload any new videos. All right, y'all. Bye.